Okay, guys, let's turn this off. Let's go inside the truck, and then let me show you why it is important, very important to clean these filters. Okay, customers look at these things and they can actually tell how clean you are and how well maintained you keep your truck or trailer. Um, oh gosh, it's beautiful out here, guys. It's 93 degrees and it's Florida. Oh God, yes. Yeah, right. Okay. Um, Obviously, you're looking at the deep fryer or deep fryers. Usually, this hood is 10 feet, so you figure this very part where we fry gets more grease up there. Okay, well, here it is. It's usually this side that catches more grease. Um, as far as fusible links, we mentioned in a previous video, these are the fusible links right here. What they do is they melt during a fire. See that? Looks like a little chain into a L bracket. Well, what that does is that melts during a fire in order to set these off. And these have numbers, okay? 260, 280. Why do they have numbers? Because 260, right? 260, 260. This one is 245. Well, they have numbers because they have to dissipate the amount of fluid in an evenly fashion in case of an emergency. Okay? It's all in the hood. It goes in there. It goes in the vent where the motor is and along. Okay. The reason why I decided to show you guys uh, how these filters are washed, because you get grease kicked up on there, and that's a fire hazard. If you get inspected, they can have you, recommend you to clean them. And what you saw was basically about, we go out every weekend. That was about 3 weekends worth of buildup because I didn't get a chance. I hadn't had a chance to clean them. Today, I decided to clean them. So, guys, what I do is I soak them in degreaser. My wife, she doesn't like to use the pressure washer. I use the pressure washer first, and then I do the rest by hand with some kind of scuff pad. So I hope this helps. Just leave your comments, and then we go from there. And anything else you guys want to know about the food truck business, please feel free to ask, and I'll respond. Alrighty? Thank you.